ready to start capturing stunning photos and videos. The Canon EOS 2000D, with a versatile 18-55mm lens, makes it super easy for beginners to take beautiful portraits and landscapes. With a 24.1 megapixel sensor, Wi-Fi, NFC, and creative modes, you'll create professional-looking images and movies in no time. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Canon EOS 4000D DSLR camera in sleek black, featuring an 18-megapixel sensor that captures stunning details and beautiful background blur. Easily connect via Wi-Fi, shoot in auto mode, and explore interchangeable lenses. Perfect for beginners and aspiring photographers. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Canon EOS 2000D DSLR camera in sleek black, featuring a powerful 24.1 megapixel sensor, optical zoom lens from 18 to 55mm, and built-in image stabilization. Capture stunning photos and full HD movies, even in low light, with easy sharing via Wi-Fi and NFC. Perfect for beginners and pros alike. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Comment. Discover the NBD 4K digital camera, the perfect tool for capturing stunning photos and videos in incredible clarity with 48 megapixels and 4K resolution. With a flip screen, versatile dual lenses, 16x optical zoom, Wi-Fi and app control, plus a 32GB microSD card included, it's ideal for vloggers, creators, and adventure seekers. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Nikon D7500 Digital DSLR camera body, a powerhouse for stunning photos and 4K videos. With a 20.9MP sensor, incredible ISO range up to 1/640,000 and 51-point autofocus, you'll capture sharp images even in low light or fast motion. Plus, it connects seamlessly via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Nikon D7500 DSLR kit with an 18 to 140mm VR lens, perfect for capturing stunning images in low light, with an incredible ISO range up to 16,400,000. Its 20.9MP sensor, 51-point autofocus system, and 4K video make it ideal for pros and hobbyists alike. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Discover the Fujifilm X-T32 Black with XC15 TAR 45mm lens kit. A compact and lightweight powerhouse packed with a 26.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, ultra-fast autofocus, and stunning 4K video. Its vintage style, touchscreen, and film simulations inspire creative photography, perfect for capturing every moment beautifully. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment.